What you guys, got another video here for you. Now if you're looking to play a free game that's pretty decent, then Apex Legends is pretty good. Now the problem is when you go to install it, you may run into a little difficulty, and I'm going to show you how to resolve that little error message that you may get. So when you open up your Origin here to play the game, you'll go to start it up and it's all downloaded and installed, and what will happen is you'll get an error message pop up on the screen and it won't allow you to play it. And I'm going to show you how to quickly resolve this error so you can get on and play your game. And you can see it here on the screen. Error: a redistributable package DirectX was not installed successfully. The setup cannot continue, and it gives you an error number. So when we click on this here, it won't allow you to play your game. Now this is quite a simple fix, and I'll show you how to resolve this issue. So what you need to do here is go over to where you installed your actual game. Now I've installed it on a different hard drive. Go into Program Files, Origin Games, and then Apex. And then inside here you want to go _installer. And then what you want to do is look in DirectX. And then you want to go to this redist. And inside here you'll see a bunch of cab files. And there's only a few of them that we are interested here. So you'll see a big list of them, and I'll highlight them out. These are the ones that you want to keep. All the rest you want to delete. Okay, so the ones in yellow, keep those files and then delete the rest of them. So I'll show you how to quickly delete these. So I'm going to highlight all the top ones here, and then you can push the control key to select the ones in the middle here, and then I want to highlight all the bottom ones. And this will highlight all the ones that I want to delete. And there's a big bunch of them there, and just leave the 3 unselected that you want to keep. And then you can hit the delete key on your keyboard, and you should see those go into the recycle bin. And you should just see these 3 files inside here. Make sure you're only seeing these 3 files. And once you go back, you should be able to continue. So go back to Origin. So I'm going to go back over to Origin here and hit the download manager and hit that button again for download. Don't worry, all those files should be in your cache and they will be okay. You won't need to re-download the game, and all we need to do is remove those files, which we did, and it will then finalize the process and start to finish off and say completed here. And that means we can now play our Apex Legends without any issues. Now for some reason there's a conflict there when you download those files, and it causes a bit of an issue, but basically that's all I did. So once I removed those files, I was able to go back and play the Apex Legends game without any problems whatsoever. Anyway, hope this one helps you out. My name is Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now. Now if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.